All right, JC on the mic with one of the key players for Team Santo Domingo here in the 40 and above category, Sir Mike Presbitero. Sir
Okay.
Mike, good evening po. Sir,
Good evening.
Could you describe your journey as a team and your experience as a whole here in the ECL 40 and above category? First year tango niyan na
Yes.
kaiguan ng 40 and above category
Apo.
here at the
Apo.
ECL. Ano ang experience nito so far?
So far, maganda yung na-experience namin po as a team sa Santo Domingo. And first time ko po ito maglaro sa 40 above dito and first time din sa ECL ng 40 above category. Super nag-enjoy kami sa camaraderie namin and sa teamwork. Pero hindi talaga namin i-expect na makarating kami sa finals. At thank God na sa paggabay niya, nakarating din kami sa finals.
Now, Sir Mike, ining kalaban nindo bako madali, nakalaban nindo sinda last time in Tabaco, here in Tabaco as well, in the road. During that game, you guys had the lead from first to third quarter but fell off in the fourth. Ngunyan, sa game 1 na ini, paano nindo masusustiner ang lead if ever man magkaigo ka mo ning lead, and paano nindo magana ning game 1 digdi?
So far, first time kaming mag-meet sa eliminations, Team Tabaco. Nag-collapse lang kami sa end games, mga last 3 minutes na siguro. Kaya dapat namin gawin ay pag-igi namin ang depensa, help defense, and defense muna bago ang opensa. Magtulong-tulong sa court and wag nervyusin. Relax lang para manalo.
That is important,
Opo.
Coach. Now, during your last game in the semifinals against Tiwi, slow start ka mo,
Yes.
Sir Mike. If I remember correctly, in the first 8 minutes of that game, scoreless ang team nindo, but somehow you guys managed to win that game in the end.
Yes.
Ngunyan, here in game 1 in the finals, I doubt you could get away with that sort of start, Sir Mike.
Yes,
how
po.
do you make sure, as one of the leaders here in this team, how do you make sure that your team gets off to a better start here tonight in game 1?
Teamwork lang talaga ang kailangan namin, and sanay na rin kaming sa loob ng court. Yung sa yung sa Bakakay kasi medyo nanibago sa court sa plaza. Medyo kahit ako first time ko maglaro doon, kaya medyo kinakapapa namin yung talaga yung ring, yung tono ng ring. Kaya talagang slow start kami, nag 18-0. Pero nabawi naman, salamat. Oo. Kaya ngayon, isiguraduhin namin na hindi na maulit ang ganun.
Well, we're hoping for a good game, Sir Mike. Last thing,
thank you.
Could you give a message and a shout out sa mga nagsusuporta sa buong team Santo Domingo, sa Emos and the rest of the team? Message and a shout out to each and every one of your supporters.
Good evening sa mga fans ng ECL Cup, and sa team Santo Domingo na nagsusuporta kay Mayor Bong Banda, and sa Sanggunian, and to all the teams na nag-participate dito sa ECL, and for our congressman in the 1st District, si Congressman Crisel. Thank you po sa pag-create nitong ligang ito. Nag-enjoy po lahat. Kaya yun lang po.
Thank you very much, Sir Mike.
And shout out din po. Shout out sa Team Alimpasay, kay D.E. Polds, kay Richard Baldon, kay Kokoy Martin, and kay Alberto Dubise. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Mike. Good luck.
Thank you.